Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon.
In this video we'll be showing you how to upload videos to YouTube. First, make sure your video is properly compressed. You can watch another how-tech video on how to compress your video, and you need to make sure that it follows YouTube's video guidelines. So here I have an MP4 video. So we're going to upload Grumpleskin to YouTube. So to do that, we'll go to our browser and we'll go to youtube.com and go to your channel. You can access that here. And chances are if you have a Gmail account, you also have a YouTube account. So you can just use that. It's very easy to make a YouTube account anyway. So after you have a YouTube account, we're going to click this button here, or you can upload the video here if you're on your channel page. But I'm going to click the button in the top and we'll click upload video. So here we can go ahead and drag and drop Grumpleskin on here. And we'll wait for that to upload. And while it's uploading, we can go in and fill in some details for our video. I think I'll call it Grumpleskin the cat, and the description will be Grumpleskin the cat. And he's just blinking in this video. So thumbnail, we can either upload a thumbnail here, or we can wait for some auto-generated ones to come in. To add custom thumbnails, we first need to be verified and in good standing, and to do that you can follow this link right here and go through those steps. But I think I'll choose one of the auto-generated ones once it shows up. So for playlists, we can create a playlist just so it's easier accessed for our viewers if they want to. I'll call it cat videos. And make sure visibility is public and hit create. And we'll choose this playlist right there. Hit done on that. Is this video made for kids? It's not specifically made for kids, so I'll hit no there. And age restricted. No, we don't need to age restrict this video of Grumpleskin. So then you have more options down here. You don't have to worry about paid promotion for our Grumpleskin video, but we do have to worry about tags, which will help when users search for a video. You can tag it with Grumpleskin, and we can tag it with cat, funny, cute, and you can go ahead and keep adding more tags if you want. We'll change the video language to English, although there isn't any words in this, we'll just change that to English. We don't need any of this. Standard YouTube license. And we can change our category to maybe comedy or entertainment, or pets and animals would probably be the best for this video. And comments, I'll leave it at that, sort by top. And finally, we can go ahead and choose our thumbnail. Perhaps Grumpleskin looking off to the side there and off into the distance. And we'll hit next there. And we can add an end screen or cards if we want to, but I don't think I'll do that for this. Publish it as public. And it looks like everything's good. Hit the publish button. And now we have our published video. Here's the link here. You can click that. And now we see Grumpleskin on YouTube. YouTube is a great platform and uploading videos to it is easy. We wish you well on your quest to becoming a great YouTuber. What kinds of videos will you upload?
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.